Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra Cars. This is the continuation of the previous video on Fastrack. Let's fasten our seatbelt to do the continuation of video on Fastrack. Hope everyone are at good health and happy driving, safe driving. Whenever you're selling your car to a dealer, to Cars 24, Spinny or Chitra Cars, make sure you remove the Fastrack. Fastrack can be removed from the sides. Just peel off the sides, and if it is not possible to remove it, use a plastic card and remove it. And once you remove it, please clean it with soap water or vinegar so the marks on the glass will go away. So why you should remove the Fastrack? Number one, if you sell with the Fastrack, the buyer who is using, whenever he crosses the toll, the money will get deducted from your account. So what you should do is make sure that you deactivate your Fastrack account and as well make the balance zero. And the new buyer will put a new Fastrack the way I have told in the past video, and he will enjoy the Fastrack. You can save money like that. So whenever you are selling your car through anyone, make sure you deactivate your Fastrack account and remove the Fastrack, because of the RFC signal which is there. If it is fitted there, the money will get deducted from your account. Make sure this precaution is taken care, and whenever you plan to sell your car, happy driving, safe driving. Whenever you plan to buy a new or a pre-owned cars, just think of Chitra Cars. Thank you.